Okay guys, so today we'll talk about booking.com website, about booking extranet and how to sync your calendar with other platforms like Airbnb or maybe any other platforms. So in my country it's very popular to people use Booking and Airbnb, so I will show you how to make synchronization of your calendar. So it means so basically how it works. For example, if somebody will visit booking.com, my listing, and make reservation on booking, these dates will be automatically blocked on Airbnb. So in this case, we are protecting ourselves from overbooking. So how to do this? Let me show you. It's really fast and simple. Just a moment. So here we go on a booking website, click on rates and availability, click on scenes calendars. Okay, click on it. And here we can see that we can add calendar connection. Here you can see that I already got connection on with Airbnb, but let me show you from beginning how to do this. So rates availability, click on scenes calendars, click on add calendar connection. So here is your iCal link and calendar name. You can put any name, for example. Well, I recommend you if you would like to, for example, since with Airbnb, then put here Airbnb, so you can understand that this is link for Airbnb. Okay, and how to get this link from Airbnb? Let's go to Airbnb, right? Click on menu, listings, select your listing. So I have selected, and here we need to select pricing and availability. Here you can see calendar scenes. Okay, let's click on it, and here we can click on export calendar, and here is the link. So copy and paste this link into other iCal application. So copy it and simply paste it here and click on next step. And what you should do next is it will ask you to export calendar. So it will give you a link from a similar link but from booking.com website. What you should add in Airbnb website. In Airbnb, so here is link from Airbnb to booking. Yeah, you can copy, paste in booking, and here you need to select then import calendar and paste here, type here for example booking here, and paste here a link what you will get from booking. Save everything, yeah, in both websites, and you are ready to go. So, and everything should work. As well, you can try, you can block some days and then click on import now, and it will import from your Airbnb, yeah, instantly, and you can check. So here you can also click on booking, click on refresh, yeah, and it will refresh with booking automatically without waiting. I don't know how fast they usually they fast sync with each other, but if you want to simply check, you can do this manually. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and if any questions about booking or Airbnb platform, please comment under this video and I will answer you with video demonstration, so you can simply watch my video and it will be replied to your question. Okay guys, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.